Hello everyone. Today it's gonna be a short video regarding how to turn AC on or off remotely using Maruti Suzuki Connect App. This feature is very helpful during summers to turn AC on and off without getting inside your car via app while vehicle is parked on outside. I have been using this feature to cold start the engine before starting any trip and avoid unnecessary delay. The process is very quick and takes max a minute. Preferably, I keep my car from cold start at least 4 to 5 minutes, but ideally 30-40 seconds are enough. I will guide you the process using Maruti Suzuki Connect App. Prerequisite, you should have a subscription of Maruti Suzuki Connect App feature. Let's start with the process. So let's click on the Connect App. Once the page loads, app loads, scroll to the bottom panel, and if you see there is an option called as AC, click on AC. Once the app loads back, so if you see there are two options. One is start now and the other one is schedule. Start now is for the immediate action you wanted to perform. In the start now, you will see the first option is AC and it should always be checked. After that, the second option is the temperature selection you want to check. For example, I am keeping right now is 26 degree. After that, you can select defroster. Defroster is for the front windshield, and for rear defroster, if you want to select, it will open the back defroster. The next option is duration. Once you click on the duration, you will see like the maximum 1 to 10 is the count. So this is the amount of duration you want to select your AC turned on or off. So I will keep maximum of 5 minutes. Click on done, and the above AC should be always checked as I mentioned earlier, and then you click on the confirm. Confirm again, and you can see the action has been accepted and the action is in progress. It will take another 10 seconds max. You can see the action has been confirmed. The AC must have been started by this time, and you can see the notification on the notification bar as well. That concludes the video here. Thanks for watching.